Hello, little bookworms. I'm Miss Abby, and welcome to Abby's Reading Room. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we'll be reading a book called Mr. Brown Can Moo. Can you? We'll read about Mr. Brown and all the silly sounds he can do. Come on, let's go.
Abby's Reading Room.
Mr. Brown can moo. Can you? By Dr. Seuss. Oh, the wonderful sounds Mr. Brown can do. He can sound like a cow. He can go moo, moo. He can sound like a bee. Mr. Brown can buzz. How about you? Can you go buzz, buzz? He can sound like a cork. Pop, 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 pop. He can sound like horse feet. Clop, clop, clop. He can sound like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. He can sound like an owl. Hoo, 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 hoo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? He can sound like the rain. Dibble, 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 dop. Dibble, 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 dop, dop, dop. He can sound like a clock. He can tick and he can talk. He can sound like a hand on a door. Knock, knock. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown is a wonder. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown makes thunder. He makes lightning. Splat, splat, splat. And it's very, very hard to make a noise like that. Mr. Brown can whisper, whisper. Very soft, very high. Like the soft, soft whisper of a butterfly. Maybe you can too. I think you ought to try. Oh, the wonderful sounds Mr. Brown can do. Why don't you try to do them too? Turn the page and let's review. Pip. Moo, moo. Buzz, buzz. Pop, pop. Clop. Cock-a-doodle-doo, hoo, hoo, dibble, dibble, dop, tick, tock, knock, knock, boom, boom, splat. Last, a whisper, whisper, and that is that. The end. Wasn't that fun? Could you make all the same silly sounds that Mr. Brown could? It sure is fun making silly noises. If you're having as much fun as I am reading all these wonderful books, make sure and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.